Hi everyone, welcome to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exams. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are come up with a new topic, that is educational news for June 2nd and 2021. First one, Jammu and Kashmir administration issues new guidelines for class 1st to 8 online classes. Fresh guidelines limiting daily online classes to half an hour for pre-primary students and 90 minutes for primary and middle students. The guidelines came within 24 hours of Mr. Sinha's directions to the school education department to come out with a policy in 48 hours. The school education department has decided to limit daily online classes for a maximum 1.5 hours for class 1 to 8 spread across two sessions. A second headline is Maharashtra Chief Minister welcomes move to cancel CBSE Class 12 board exams. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray welcomed the centre's decision to cancel the CBSE Class 12 board exams this year amid the prevailing COVID 19 pandemic across the country. Prime Minister Modi said the decision to cancel the CBSE Class 12 board exams has been taken in the interest of two students, and the anxiety among students, parents, and teachers must put be an end. State School Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad had said students who were to appear for Class 10 Secondary School Certificate SSC exams will be promoted to the class. Promote to be in the next class, and marks will be given to them on the basis of internal assessment of their performance this year and that of Class 9. The third headline is AKTU announces BTech B Pharma final year results. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, nothing but AKTU, located in Uttar Pradesh, has announced final year results for BTech and B Pharma students. Students who wrote these exams can visit the university website aktu.ac.in to check their marks. Fourth headlines, Gujarat Board GSHSEB releases classes 10-11 board exam date sheets. The exams will be held between July 1st to 16th. On the first day, class 12 science students will appear for the physics paper. Class 10 students will write first language papers. Those are Gujarati, Hindi, Marathi, English, Urdu, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, and Oriya. Fifth headline, Manipal Academy extends application on deadline, starts slot booking for online test. Students will now be able to apply for MET 2021 till June 5 at manipal.edu. MET 2021 will be held as an online proctored exam between June 11 and June 11, 14 due to the ongoing COVID 19 pandemic. As per the official notice, there will be only one attempt of the MET 2021 exam for all applicants. All those who were eligible to book the slot for MET 2021 during phase 1, that means April 16 to 20, are eligible to book the slot for remote proctored test RPT without any additional payment. And the academy has also started slot booking for online remote proctored test. Already registered candidates can now book their MET slots on their official websites manipal.edu. For MET slot booking 2021, applicants need their application number and the password. The last date for MET 2021 slot booking is June. So here we are providing some steps to apply for MET 2021. The first step 1, register on the official website with the required details and contact number and email ID. The second step, log in again with the system generated credentials. Step 3, fill the Manipal MET 2021 application form. Step 4, select the program. Step 5, review the application and submit. How to book a slot for MET 2021? The first step, visit the official website of MET 2021. Step 2, log into the ODBS. ODBS is nothing but online test booking system using the application number and password. Step 3, click on the book a seat button. Step 4, select preferred date and time for MET 2021. 5. Confirm the selected slot. Hope you all are like this session, and if you are any doubts, just make a comment on our YouTube session, and you can send us your emails with your details and with your doubts like careers at the rate of i2sinfo.com. We will provide the link in description also. Thank you.